You like Trump? Good girl. You like Biden? Alright, good evening. This wasn't an easy job. Uh, it is a 2 meter. It's got 2 meters in it. This RMS, and this is peak. Now, only this one's hooked up right now. I have to change the wire. Now, I had a guy ask me a while ago, what are these, what do these sell for? Uh, you, the peak kit back out, it's got a peak kit in it. It's about 60 bucks. And it comes with a battery. And then you got this cabinet. I think, I'm not for sure what the price is on this. I think I should have got that up and ready to start with. If you buy these 2 meters, the coax and everything, you can see it there on eBay. $214 plus $15 shipping. That's for these 2 meters. The wire coming out the back. No line section. So that's might as well say $250 plus another $50 for that. And then you're gonna need 2 line sections. And then you're gonna still need slugs, whatever slug you use. 50-watt slug, 250-watt slug, whatever you're gonna use. This is not done yet. I got Quick Cat. I gotta mount the battery back here and go tomorrow and get some Velcro to mount that battery back there so he can change it out and it won't be stuck. But anyways, I've put lights in it. It's got a little strip here. Put these, it's going to have a 12 volt there, and it's going to be with one of these 90s here up in the back, and the power is going to come through a cable like a coax cable to power the meter. Now I could make it where this runs the peak kit, but let's leave it like this on 9 volts to start with. But anyways, the peak kit is here. Comes on with a green light. This is the 5 times, 2 times, 1 times in the middle. This one here turns the lights on inside the meter. I think I just got blurry. There it is. It's got blue LEDs backlighting it, which is kind of hard to see with the LED lights shining up here. Let me go over here and turn it off and see what it looks like on camera.
Who's texting me?
Can you shut up? Of course, the top ain't on it. Put the top on it. it ain't real bright. I don't want it to be real bright. And he's going to have it cocked like that, I guess. But, I got them recessed up inside there a little bit, about a nut worth. I have to hobble in the dark all the way up beyond that light switch. Make sure I got that light switch over there where when I go up the steps I don't have to walk back over here, but then again I got this peak thing on sometimes I have to walk back over here. But these meters have been recessed up in there, and it's got a nut that I took and put up on a drill down through and then round it off. But it's got LEDs up around there, and it won't but so much light go in between it. And but I don't want it to be too bright anyways. I've already got it stepped down 100 ohm to the lights on the inside. And if that's too bright I can lower it again, but you'd have to send it back to get it lowered. Or I could tell him how to do it and put a I don't know if he wants to do anything like it or not though. I sent Rainmaker my variables. But anyways, let's get to the meter. That's a 50 watt slug up in there, my radio on it. This radio here do a little over 50 watts, but pretty close to 50. So, peak kit on. 5 watt. Hello. It's a stop pig. I say it's about 50 watts. That's what's showing on the other one. This one's just a little bit loose, but that's because of the slug, and this one's closer to the radio, so you gain a little bit more power. So if I stay on it and get it hot, it'll go back down to 50. Hello. 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 Wanting to drop back now. They got hot. So, alright, 2 times should be right around in here between the 20 and the 40. Hello. A little bit more, but the radio's doing a little bit more, like I said. And the 5 times it should be right here at the 10 or 20. A little bit more than that because it's putting out more watts now. Hello. Hello. So, that's right. You know, it calibrates. These are the watts meters, not the bird movements. It is a difference between the old ones and this new ones, but these have got better. I got a couple that I run up here. Like my little one here is one of the Watts ones. These are birds, but it is difference in them. Believe me. That's one of them took apart, and I got some bird ones over here that took apart too. But believe me, it's a difference in them. You can definitely tell the difference. But all these are new, and it's just a relative reading, and so this one is in RMS now. The peak's off. Let's see, it was about 9, and up here this is showing about about 10. So it's about a half or 1 watt different, and that ain't enough to complain about. Alright, I'm gonna hook this one up, and this one ain't nothing but RMS anyways. Same 50 watt slug. Now this one's RMS, it don't show any peak. Oh, yeah, that one's a little looser. But like I said, now this one ain't got nothing hooked up to it. This one's hooked. The coax comes straight off the back of it. Ain't got nothing hooked to it. Ain't nothing I done to it. It's just the way it is. The wires hook up to it, come up, and it hits that line section right there, and it's got a 50 watt slug in it. That's all it does. Come out of this line section here, go down this coax, wrapped around in there, come out, and goes to the back, and hooks directly to the back of the meter, and there's nothing on it but what it is. And it shows about 13 watts, where this one shows about 10. So the RMS is off a little bit on this one, and ain't nothing I can do about it. It is what it is. It's a few watts off, but it ain't gonna matter. It's just a relative. You'll get used to what your amp's putting out, and you'll get used to it. But with this, you have to have a line section on each one of these, or either have a dual one. I don't know how he's gonna hook this up. Probably RMS output and peak output, maybe. I don't know, or reflect and peak. I don't know how he's gonna have it hooked up. It all determines on how you hook that up. And like this is a dual line section, but it's only one. I could hook both of these up to this, but they're up here and I can't really get to them. This one over here is on the bottom. See it right there? I can get to this one right there easy, but these are turned up, and I have to pull this face down to get to it. It's for my stuff hooked up. But yeah, it's just the way it is. RMS on this one, about 14 RMS on that one. And I'm going to unhook that one, change no slug out, no nothing. And hook that one up. And then this one over here is RMS, so that one's going to show the same thing, same 50 watt slug. Oh, well, let's see. Oh. 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 That little thing ain't touching. I don't know why it ain't. I'm gonna take it apart. It was touching earlier. Okay. Alright, let me fix that. I'll be back. Alright, seems to be working again. Oh. 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 These movements are new. Oh. This is showing right at 10. They'll loosen up as they get older and get moved around. Oh. He shipped them without them being shorted out. I kind of don't like that, but I'd think up something. Short them two leads out when things don't move as much. But I got a little bit more work to do. But anyways, you see what I'm dealing with. I gotta get this plug for that ran, and wires ran for that. Get this mounted and get the top on it, and I should be done with it. But it is what it is. You dealing with if you buy a bird meter, you gonna pay. You gonna pay. I think one of these are $200 if I ain't mistaken. And not through no damn eBay. Can't think of the name. Oh, Martin's RF Supply. I think last time I bought one was $200, which was out up yonder. When lightning hit it, believe me, I didn't like it. $175, and that's just for the meter. Just for that. And they don't look as good as they used to, but now it is a difference between that and this. Looking in it, I ain't saying they work no better, I ain't saying they work no worse, but I mean they are what Bird makes right now, so it is what it is with that. It's what you can lay your hands on at this point in day and time, I would say. But yeah, I got, like I said, I got this. I'm gonna mount this here, where you take the top off of it and do that, then run the cables. The way this is run, it's a stereo jack, so you got a hot and a ground in there, and then this outer jacket is not ground. You got actual a ground, and this is hot. The brown one is hot, and the white one is negative, positive, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, the outer jacket of this is not gonna be. What the hell? Alright, later.